Hello guys, welcome to another video of that guy. Today we're going to be playing Snowrunner, and I have a challenge for us. So I want to see, I've got some mods, and in this map, it's called Icy Roads, we're going to try to get as far as we can in all the mods that I have, and some of the cars that are just in the regular game without mods, you know, just in case I get on the storage or something, so you can see what your cars are capable of. Okay, let's get started. So first, we have the International. I think that's what it is, International. Oh, I do that in Forza so you can see what cars there. I have a racing rig, so this will be fun. Let's see how far we can get in this car. I've had this car and a ton of other of my SMPs. Wait, is that what I think that's how you say that, SMPs. No, that's not it. In my own campaigns, but I didn't have the off-road tires. This time I do. Oh no, it's doing this again. It does this thing on my shifter where it won't shift into automatic, and it's really annoying. Am I even going the right way? I don't even know. Hope I am. Let's find out. By the way, if you haven't already, subscribe and hit that thumbs up button and the notification bell. Yeah, I think I'm going right there. I don't remember this from when I played this with my friend. And I don't think this one's gonna do very well, because if you can't tell, it's sliding a lot. So I got this idea from a YouTuber named Komodo Gaming, so go check him out. He's really good too. Not as good as me, of course, but... Oh wait, maybe I'm supposed to go that way. Go to find, I know there's like a big ice patch that I can break through and stuff. By the way, video on the BattleBot testing, that's coming soon. Turn the wheel all the way. Oh! I think I found the road. Yep, there it is. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh no. Doesn't turn very well. Here we go. Actually, don't know how far it is until the ice starts breaking. But there was one time where I was driving a semi truck through here, and I had the whole thing fall through. Oh, there it goes. Did you hear that? What is that? Yeah, these are getting too far. Dude, am I already stuck? Oh, come on. It's in 4-wheel drive with the diff lock. How is it already stuck? Oh no, I'm going in. I'm going in. That was sad. Yeah, down she goes. Not even this. Can I get out? What about reverse? What happened to reverse? Yeah, I'm stuck, guys. I'll leave that one here and then I will just no clip to the garage. So the next mod I have, well then I guess not a mod. Should I try these? I don't know. I kind of just want to try. I'll try these at the end. So stick to the end. First we're gonna try this one. Tempted to upgrade it. Let's just see what upgrades. Do I want a big lift? Oh yeah, I like that. What? Okay, I'm just gonna put the OP engine in it. And that's what I'm having. By the way, that Scout, I'm pretty sure that was upgraded to its max. Like, I don't think there's anything else I could do to save it. Slidey. I'm sliding. Oh no. Oh, it's doing the thing again. Uh-oh. My TV will be locked in 10 minutes. Oh, 4-wheel drive. There we go. Let's see how far. By the way, that Scout was in 4-wheel. And diff locks on and everything. I really like these Ram trucks. They're really nice looking, especially these old ones. Oh, jeez. I'm gonna blast through the ice on high. By the way, I discovered this, but if you go into neutral, and you rev up your engine, and then you slam into high, it won't stall out. Here we go, oh. Yep, look at it. So you go into neutral. Oh, well, I'm stuck in snow, that's why. Oh, I'm not in 4-wheel. I thought that was the end for the behemoth. Two-wheel driving in. No! Dang it, I should have upgraded the winch. Okay, well, I'm gonna get in the other truck, and then I'll flip this one over, and then we can continue from there. And I don't want to repair, I want to go back to the garage. Okay, where are you, my mods? Ah, there we go. Desperado. This is the Chevy 1500. We all know that. Putting this 500 horsepower. the biggest I can put on this? Just 38s? 38s look so bad. Those are ridiculous. Can I really only put 38s on it? This needs bigger than 38s. I'm putting the semis on. The semis. Oh wait, there's 38. I'm putting these on. And I need the OP winch just in case what happened to the RAM happens to this. It says lighted, but I think it's weighted. Jerry cans. Jerry cans. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That one. Billet. Okay, we get the CB radio in the interior. I didn't even realize what that was. But hold on. Oh yeah, it's got the old. My dad had an old Yukon. And it's got that steering wheel that I remember. This steering wheel that I miss. Aftermarket. The best. We want the angled or the rear? I like rears. Oh yeah. Mississippi State is the best license plate. I'll go with that one. Rims, semi. Okay, here we go. You're ready, Freddy's. Did you hear that? This can be the last truck, by the way. Why is it only coming out one exhaust? That's kind of concerning. This is a truck I would love to have, just without the sound. Why is it only coming out one exhaust? That bothers me. You can see on the right exhaust pipe. Oh, does this have the goofy high? Hold on. There we go. You gotta get traction. And then shift it into high. Yeah, I liked the noise of it when it was starting up, but now I don't really like the noise. Maybe we should rev higher. Turner, you hunk of junk. I don't know why I keep doing this. Here we go off to save the RAM. I've got some jetty cans, jerry cans for it. Here we go, go, go. Oh no. Can you hear that? Oh crap. You know what? It's not worth it. I'm just gonna go. Not worth it. We're just going because I don't have much time left. This took longer to set up than I thought it would. and I only really like planned for this to go a certain amount of time. So I'm just gonna go. It's not worth it. Sorry. I have to at least make it past the scout though. This time I have a more powerful truck. Hopefully. Jeez, maybe that thing was kind of powerful. This isn't good. Okay, here we go. It's gonna crack under me though by the time I get out there. Look at that. Oh. Look at that. Lighter than that thing. I think that's a semi-truck just with a pickup bed. So in this game, if you... Oh, no. If you look at the International Fleet Star, is that what it is? Something like that. It's like the starter truck they like to get the supplies from in the beginning of the campaign. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Down she goes. I don't want to reach that. Yeah, maybe I didn't give that thing enough credit. I think that other one, that ram, would have made it through this just fine. Oh. There we go. Oh no. Okay. Well, that's gonna be it, guys. See ya.